Namaste, Sat Shri Akal, good evening, Assalamu alaikum, friends. As you know, education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. I want to request you stay home, save lives. Okay. First, I want to give you introduction. My name is Navdeep Kaur. I am working as an assistant professor in CSC department. My hobbies are playing cricket, dancing, writing. One line always motivates me. Life is a movie. You are the director of your life. Don't live your life as other people expect. And my channel name is Powerful Weapon. Okay. Okay. In previous video, I have covered uh, introduction of database and different operations in database, and today topic is hierarchy of data hierarchy of data in database. Okay, what do you mean by hierarchy of data in database? So hierarchy means, you can say, order, like in which order we save data in database. So you must know, if we want to save data in database, we use software. So you can say DBMS is a software that is used to store, retrieve, update data in a computer. We can say DBMS is a software that is used to maintain data in database, and these are the different database example: MySQL, MS Access. So what do you mean by hierarchy? Hierarchy means, first we have data and we store data in field. After this field, we make one record. You can take example of student. Like if we I want to show you one table. Like we have student. So in this, like what is field? So field is like this one 901. It's one data related to student, and name of student is David, so it's another field, and last name Warner is another field. So first we have a data and we store in field. After this we have one record, like I can say like one student David, I have a UID of David, I have last name of David, and I have class. So it's a one record. Similarly, second record of student Sachin Tendulkar. So first we have field, after this we have record. After this, third one is we have file, like it's a one file of student. Like suppose we have one class, suppose we have one record, we have one file, and this file contains different students record. Similarly, first we have field, after this we have record, after third one we have file. Similarly, if we have so many files, like similarly I have one file student file, another file is teacher file. So after this, first we have field, collection of fields we call record, and collection of records we call file. And if we have so many files, then we can store these all files in a single database. I want to show you one example of college database. Suppose I have two files, student file and I have teacher file, and I have stored these files in one single database, and name of that database is college. So today I have covered you hierarchy of database. You must know, like first we have field, after this we have record, after this we have file, and if we have so many files, we can store in database. So be passionate, be creative. Thank you so much for watching this video.